Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make my second weekdays makeup that I called the first date. And as I said in my previous video, that I'm not an expert, but I choose for today's video this light pink cute t-shirt, this beautiful jewelry set that I got just today, because today is my name day. Yeah, now you know that I recorded this before I uploaded it. Yeah, this is how it works, everything. Okay, so I was recorded it when I had time and I uploaded it when I later. So much later. Okay, I have a cute drink here. I'm prepared, and I turned the color changing lights into a pinkish color, this purple pink color. I don't have any Valentine's Day's hairband, so I'm just gonna wear this. And let's get started my Valentine's Day makeup. First of all, as always, I applying a few layers of foundation to my clean face. I think I didn't apply too much today because I wanted to make something nice, but not too much, but not a no makeup look. It's between the two. And then I'm used my bronzer that I'm always using. This is a light brown cute little bronzer that I love. And then I'm used my blush. This is a light pink. It's really soft, not too strong. And then I'm applied a pink highlighter, a cute pink highlighter on it, and the two together looked beautiful. I love this highlighter so much. This is so beautiful. I wanted to make this cute look too cute. And then I curled my lashes before doing anything on my eyes, and then I applied eyeshadow primer, and I was singing at the time. Okay, so, and after that I tried to use now an eyeliner pencil on my eyebrows, and it worked pretty good. I loved this method. This was super cool. And then I started with light pink. It was a little bit purplish pink, but really light. I love this. This was so cute. And then I applied darker pink, a more darker pink. It's a pink. And then I'm not doing this too much these days. I used an eyeliner to make this winged eyeline, because it will be helping me when I'm applying false eyelashes, because it's easier to take on the line and hide the little mistakes. And then I applied a little mascara. This mascara makes my lashes look more. And then I applied a light pink, really light pink lipstick on my lips, and then I used the dark pink, the pinkish pink eyeshadow on my lips too. And then I started applying the false lashes. This is kinda dull look lashes, and it looked so beautiful on it. It was a little bit big, but I wasn't caring about it because it was perfect. It made my eyes look bigger. And then my eyeliner had this little heart-shaped stamp that I used in the corner of my eyes. Okay, this is the finished look. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot of link in the description that you should check out. And see you in the next video. Bye!